Good morning, brothers and sisters. It is 9:01 a.m. Central Standard Time on January 11th, 1/11/2022, 111-222, and we are in a possible tsunami alert. We have three buoys going off here right near Alaska, right off the Alaskan coast, as you can see here. We have three of them here, and with these three going off, I decided, well, maybe let's go see if we have any earthquakes in that region. And sure enough, we've got a swarm of them going off in this region. One of them was a 6.8. It was downgraded from a 6.9, and this one here is a 6.6, which was downgraded from a 6.8. So these did go off here near, what do you say that? Nikolsky Island, and right here looks like this is Nikolsky Island. So I'm not sure if the wave is going this way or which direction it's going, but please be advised that these are in event mode. So if you know anybody in and near Alaska, please let them know, and also the west coast of California, because depending on how big it is and the direction in which it's going, it could be heading towards Alaska. Shoot, it could even go down and hit Hawaii, depending, like I said, depending on its direction. We back up here and take a look. It could come down and hit Hawaii. It could be heading east, and we could be seeing these things going off before too long, and it could wind up on the west coast, on the California coastline. Not sure how major it is. We'll have to keep an eye on that today as well. So please take caution. And in the past 24 hours, as we can see, we have had several quakes along the Ring of Fire. A lot of them going on right here in Alaska, but we can also see volcanoes that are in eruption. We have some that are unrest, and a couple that are warning and minor activity. So please be cautious, folks. Be aware these things are going on. Our planet is expanding. So that's definitely something to keep an eye on. Looks like we had one here in the Atlantic, 5.8 at 10 kilometers deep. Literally right down here in, what is it, that Metriana the trench there? Ooh, that ain't good. Mid-Atlantic Ridge, yeah, right there. Ooh, that ain't good. We had another big one, 6.6 over here in Cyprus. And another one right next to it, 5.7, southern Greece. Lots of activity going on over here. I wonder what's going on over in Malta. Zoom in, it looks like Malta is clear, but we do have a volcano here in Sicily going on, and one of them right here, Stromboli volcano, Aeolian Islands. That must be a really dinky island if the volcano covers the whole thing. And this is the northwestern section of Cyprus, out in the water. So 48 kilometers deep. Looks like we're not going to have to worry about any kind of tsunami with it, depending on how much the uplift was, but it should be okay. But if you're in Cyprus area or Syria, just take note. I would even say take note if you're even up here in Turkey, along the edges of Turkey. Depending on how it goes, it's starting to get real, folks. Here at South Sandwich Islands, looks like Michael is in unrest, and with earthquakes, 4.9 at South Sandwich Island regions, and a 4.6. This one's 35 kilometers. This one's, well, it doesn't give us how deep it is. This is pretty indicative that why this thing is showing unrest. So odds are this thing's going to be popping off here pretty soon. And look at where you've got three different plates that are kind of squeezing and punching together, which is why this is called Sandwich Islands. They're sandwiched. Oof, glad I don't live down there. Windy.com, and I am looking at the weather radar, and look at this big old anomaly going on over here in India. What is that? And again, Thailand, we've got this constant dancing flower going on over here, and then looks like things are centered around, protect your package, gentlemen, Bangkok again. But let's zoom in here in India. I'm actually going to do another one on a particular star fort, and it's from another channel that they're talking about UFOs in Australia, and it's I think it's called Seven Sky or Seven. I'll show it. I'll do a video on it. But Australia basically has a base that's an answer to America's Roswell, and guess what it looks like? Whoa, look at this. So there's something like right here, Kolkata. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Kolkata. Let's see here. Let's see if that is the center of it. Let's let her catch up. And we can definitely see all kinds of different strange anomalies going on here. We can see the grid. We can see the flower pattern kind of pointing the direction. Look at these lines, and then sure enough, Kolkata is the center for that large anomaly. What if that was the outline of a spaceship? Like a mothership? I mean, this is a whole entire city. What if that large anomaly that we just saw was the outer edges of a mothership? Ooh, that's enough to get you going. So Kolkata is the center of this large anomaly. Something going on here. We can see Kolkata, right? Let's go check out Google Earth. We are at Kolkata. Kolkata, however I'm saying that, and look at what I found right here centered up on. Bam! There's a star fort. Raj Bhavan. Is some kind of a worship center maybe? I'm not sure. But when you scroll down a little bit here, you can see here's a star with 3 points. 3-pointed star, another 3-pointed star. Oh, look. Some kind of a magnetron. Nice round capacitor of some sort. But as I zoomed out, look what else I saw, folks. Oh, can you see it? Look at that. Boom. Star fort. Look at the size of that star fort. That is a big one. Looks like 1, 2, 3 layers. 3 layers deep of a star fort. Udamus. Highest levels for nitrous dioxide is actually right here in Los Angeles. They're reporting 88.34, but I'm showing 105.52 in the Los Angeles area. That is our high level here in the United States. Everywhere else, here in Phoenix, Arizona, looks like we've got some high level going on here. Let's see what that's at. They're showing 79 in the Phoenix area, so warning there. Oh, 15. Well, I guess I can live with that. You're looking at levels of 39.95. Gloucestershire, you're looking at about 1483. See if we can get anything higher than London, what London is reporting. They say 39.95. Oh, 40. So if you're in the greater London area, just be aware that it's high. Yeah, that's not good. Let's check out Milan. 99 right off the get. I wasn't even trying to move it around yet. So 99 looks like that's going to be the high point. So if you're in Milan, take 100.95. Take warning. Abu Dhabi is reporting 113.23, which is off the charts, and I'm showing 114.67 in the Abu Dhabi area. So please be careful if you're in this area. So far, that is our highest of the day. Let's check out New Delhi. Is reporting 82.9. I'm showing 113.54. If you're in the New Delhi region, again, be careful. This is not something you want to play around with. So far, Abu Dhabi is got the high level of the day. Beijing, China is reporting 101.67, and I'm showing 118.2. Ooh, that's close. A close second. Of the day is Hong Kong, China with 129.03. Then it goes to Dubai, then Beijing. So yeah, be careful out there, folks. Let's take a look at PM 2.5, aerosol and ozone. Wuhan is way high. They're reporting 178. I'm showing 226. Boy, are they trying to hide those numbers or what? Up here near Milan, we're showing 93 meters cubed of PM 2.5. 119 here in Nigeria. Not sure what city that is. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. Get a better idea of it. Oh, look at that. It bounced around on me. What city is this by? Ah, Makurdi. Makurdi, they're actually showing 103, but yeah, it's definitely higher than that. 125, 130. Oh, boy. 138, 39. Yeah, 139. So if you're in the Makurdi area of Nigeria or know anybody in that area, tell them to be careful. Here in Ecuador, of all places, this teeny little spot, 175 meters cubed in Ecuador. Do you guys know what's over in this region? That's right, volcanoes. Check our aerosol levels. They seem to be okay here in the Tulsa area, it looks like we're looking at 269 units, which is right in here, which actually to me that's an acceptable amount of ozone. Then when we get up here over by Pennsylvania, near the Pittsburgh area, we're looking at 366. That's definitely on the high side. Up here into Canada, let's see, what do we got going on here? 388, definitely high. Get over here, ooh, 403, 404, 406, 408. Oh man, 411. So that's off the charts. If you happen to be up here in Canada, please take caution. Right along the lakes, the Great Lakes down here on the Canadian side, we're looking at 352. So that is also on the high side. If you happen to be over here, I believe this is where Russia kind of keens in. We're at 417. Again, we are off the charts. London, you're at 315. You're getting closer to the high side, but you're doing okay for now. That's where our high level. Oh my goodness. What is going on over here by Alaska? 495. If you happen to be in Alaska, and guess what, folks? This system is all going to move this direction. See how the wind's taking it? So if you happen to be living in Alaska, please take precautions for yourself. My gosh, and in Russia and in northern China, this is all not good. This looks like it reaches all the way down in here into Japan. So please be careful, folks. My goodness, these are astronomical numbers. I'm almost afraid to move this around to see if I can get it to go higher. 499. It may not even reach 500. My goodness. But that's high, folks. That's off the charts. Everybody stay safe out there. And remember, love is the only way forward. Eyes open, no fear. Just have knowledge so that you can make decisions for yourself.